1 month of videos in 4 hours. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I wanted to create this video to show you how we get 1 month of video content for our YouTube channel in just 4 hours. And it's actually happening right now. So we actually do these filming sessions every couple months or so, depending on when we need them. And they have saved us so much time and energy in that we don't have to worry about the setup of the camera gear, knowing how to do the correct lighting. And we can literally just come in with our knowledge, our notes, and our content and film. So here's how we do it. First, we actually outsource and we hired a videographer. And we found an amazing local videographer. His name is Chad from Galaxy House Productions, and he's actually filming us right now. He's done the setup for us.
Essetinomedia, 1 month of videos in 4 hours. Take one.
So one thing to buy back your time is to outsource things that you don't necessarily enjoy. One of the pain points of filming was the gear, was knowing how to make it look good. I mean, I know the basics. I know the basics of turning on a camera and doing this and that, but I don't know the intricacies of, lenses, lighting. Lighting is a whole thing, microphones, having all the gear and all the setup. And that was a huge pain point for us, to the point where we couldn't get these filming sessions even started because I would just be thinking about bringing all the gear, having to learn how to put everything together, and having to set everything up. And by the time we would set everything up, I would be so tired to film the actual video. I didn't have the energy to do the tutorial. And it does take energy to be on camera, to speak and do these videos. You do have to give a little extra when you're on camera. So after we brought in all the gear, set everything up, I didn't even want to film a video. So that right there was, an epic fail. And it happened so many times until we got Chad and we hired him and we outsourced this to him, and it has made these filming sessions way more enjoyable. So that's the first thing. You want to outsource to a videographer. Second is you want to plan before you do these filming sessions. So when we set up a day to film, both my business partner and I, we sit down and we come up with our videos. We make a list of between 5 to 7 or 5 to 8 videos, depending on how long the filming session is. We hired Chad for about 6 hours, but it takes, an hour to set up, get the lighting correct and everything like that, and breaks in between. So you do need to account for those kinds of things. So once we write out all of our scripts and we have our bullet points and we know what we're talking about, we can just come in to the filming session. While he's setting up, we're getting ready, looking over the notes, and then when he says we're good to go, we start filming. And this system has seriously elevated our whole YouTube and filming game. We have been able to get so many more videos with this system. At the end of the day, you have to look at what's holding you back, what's keeping you from getting the thing completed, because we needed to get videos out. There was too much of a barrier with me learning all the camera gear and figuring out what goes where and all the technical side of everything that I didn't find enjoyable. I prefer coming here and just talking like this and sharing my knowledge and helping you guys out. So although there is a, physical monetary cost, you obviously have to pay your videographer for their time and the work that they do. And I know a lot of people kind of have resistance to doing something like that, but honestly, it has made us more in the long run because of what we know these videos can do. If we were to try and do this ourselves, there would be a high percentage rate of us not actually filming. And in order for our business to make money, we need to put videos up on YouTube. So if we don't have the videos, these videos can't go out into the internet, make us course sales, get us Google ad revenue, get us high-end clients, So for sure, it's worth it. And you know, we didn't start off this way. We started off with literally just a webcam, a $10 webcam, and no microphone. And we've evolved. We got more and more gear. And eventually we got to this point where we want to be making really high quality content and we want to outsource this kind of thing. Do not underestimate the power of outsourcing it to someone who does it better than you and batching your processes. So because this is a filming day, we have come up with a bunch of video ideas. My business partner, Arit, just filmed her 5 videos, and I'm on my 5th video right now. And so if you're releasing 1 video a week, technically that's already more than 2 months of content. We release more than 1 video a week. We release 2 to 3 videos a week, as well as doing a weekly live stream. So batching your processes, you know, we're trying to get as many videos as we can in this 6-hour time block. And again, you want to make sure that you account for your videographer's setup time, your rest time, your break time if you need breaks in between. You know, you need to go to the washroom, you need to refresh, you need to look at your notes. You need to account for all that. And this is probably the 4th or 5th filming session with our videographer, Chad. And we've got a system down now in that, you know, a 6-hour time block is really good. We can, you know, not really rush so crazy, but at the same time, we're very focused and we get a lot of videos done. So that's our system. That's how we get over a month of videos, content for our YouTube and social media in 4 hours. If you're thinking about doing it, outsourcing, hiring, I would definitely recommend it. It's going to elevate you and bring you to a new level. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.